Alright, if you want to move your BNB from the Binance Exchange to your Binance Web3 wallet, here is exactly how to do it step by step. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's jump right in. First, open up your Binance app and make sure you're logged in. Then, you can switch over to your wallet. This is where you're gonna receive your BNB. Next, tap Receive. Instead of copying and pasting address, you can tap Withdraw from Binance Exchange. And once you're there, select BNB from the list of coins you're holding in your exchange wallet. And then pick the right network. Usually it's BNB Smart Chain, but double check so you don't send it to the wrong chain. Then hit Continue. Now just type in how much BNB you want to send. As you can see right here, the minimum is 0.001 BNB. So make sure you've got at least that much in your account. And for example, let's type in 0.002 BNB. And once you select your amount, you can tap on Withdraw and your BNB will be on its way to your Web3 wallet. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.